A particle of mass 50 gram moves on a straight line. The variation of speed with time is shown in figure. So variation of speed with time is shown in figure. Find the force acting on the particle at t equal to 0, 4 and 6 seconds. Find the force on the particle at t equal to 0, 4. So this question is what? Very easy question. कैसे करना है देखिए. How do we solve this kind of question? We are having a velocity time graph. And we have to find the force acting on the particle. Mass is given. So velocity time graph, if you look at the slope, so slope will give you the acceleration. So first find the slope, then you get the acceleration by slope and multiply that acceleration with the mass, you are going to get force. So what will be slope here? So acceleration is slope, and the slope is how much? 15 minus 0 divided by, this is 3 unit. So 3 minus 0. So that is 5 meter per second square. That is the acceleration in first part. Now what will be force? Ma. So mass is 50 gram. So 50 gram by 1000. This is mass into 5. So 0.25. This many newtons for first part. At 4 seconds. So at 4 seconds you can see velocity is constant. So slope is how much? 0. At t equal to 4 seconds, slope is 0. So acceleration is 0. So force is how much? M into 0. So how much? 0 Newton force. And similarly at t equal to 6 seconds. At 6 seconds there is a negative slope. So that we can find. A is how much? So the final is 8 and initial, the final is 0. The final velocity is 0, initial is 15. So final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 15. And the time is, final time is 8 and initial time is 5. 8 minus 5. So that is coming minus 5 meter per second square. And the force we can find MA is 50 by 1000 into A is minus 5. So minus 2.5 Newton. So in this way we can write.